Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare micro twists versus microlocs. We will explore the distinct characteristics of each style, including their installation processes, maintenance requirements, and overall longevity. My goal is to help you understand the key differences so you can confidently choose the best option for your hair journey. Let's dive into the details and find your perfect protective style. Micro twists are a fantastic temporary protective style, perfect for showcasing your natural hair texture. They are created by twisting small sections of your own hair, usually without added extensions, making them lightweight. Installation can take anywhere from 2 to 5 hours. A great benefit is their ease of removal, which helps prevent breakage and promotes length retention. Keep them fresh with regular moisturizing and gentle washing. Microlocs are a long-term commitment, forming tiny, permanent locks that can be as small as a pencil lead. The initial installation is a significant time investment, often requiring 6 to 24 hours, sometimes spread over multiple days. Once established, they offer incredible styling versatility and are excellent for retaining hair length. However, they do require consistent maintenance with professional red-lightening every 4 to 8 weeks to keep them neat. Deciding between micro twists and microlocs depends on your lifestyle and hair goals. If you prefer a temporary style with flexibility and easier removal, micro twists are ideal. For a long-term, permanent solution that offers daily ease once established, microlocs are a great choice. Remember to weigh the initial time and cost investment against the ongoing maintenance. Always seek advice from a professional stylist to ensure the best decision for your unique hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.